Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, I will set up about the function f of s equals to s squared minus 1. Now we need to put this function equals to number 0 because I want to find the location where we can find the change of the size from negative to positive or vice versa. So we have s equals to positive number 1 and s equals to negative number 1. So we make the table in here. So we have negative number 1 and positive number 1. So this one we have 0, this one we have 0. So if we look carefully about the function in here, the highest power is about s squared. Coefficient of this one, that's about number 1, and this is about positive number 1 in here. That means the side of this area in here, that's about positive. So when the value go through the number 0 in here, from here, that's about negative side. From here to here, we have positive side. Now we go back to this integration. We see that the integration from 0 to number 2. So number 0 in here, number 2 in here. So the side between from 0 to number 1, that's about negative. From number 1 to number 2, that's about positive. So in this situation, because the absolute value provide the positive number, so from 0 to number 1, this is about negative in here. When we destroy about the absolute value, we need to put the negative in here for the integration from 0 to number 1. So that the value in here from negative with the negative, you got about the positive number. So we have s squared minus 1 ds. This one from number 1 to number 2, this is about positive number. So we don't need to use the negative sign here. So we just use about positive from number 1 to number 2. Now we need to find the value of this integration and this one in here. So the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, we have s. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. This one for positive. Now I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. Similar for the second one. Because we have the negative sign, negative with negative of the bottom, that's why we have the positive. Now we go to the next one. We calculate everything in here and we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.